Hubstaff Talent Freelance Honest Review Watch before using. Hubstaff Talent Freelance Honest Review Watch before using. Most people think finding quality freelancers is hard and expensive. The surprising truth is that Hubstaff Talent makes it free, fast, and reliable. Hubstaff Talent is a freelance and remote talent marketplace where businesses can find developers, designers, marketers, and virtual assistants. Unlike other platforms, it charges no fees for hiring, making it appealing for startups and small businesses. The platform allows clients to browse profiles, view work histories, and communicate directly with freelancers. Hubstaff Talent also integrates with time tracking and project management tools for better accountability. Most people get this wrong. They assume free platforms lack quality. In reality, many skilled professionals use Hubstaff Talent to connect with clients globally, providing flexibility and cost savings. It's best for companies seeking remote talent without platform fees and for freelancers looking for direct client relationships. If you want to hire or work with skilled remote professionals efficiently, Hubstaff Talent is worth exploring. Subscribe to the channel for more freelance and remote work platform reviews.